So had the winch line break. It was super old, and it was time to change it. But anyone who's having a hard time getting the line out, this was a lot of work to get it out. But mine was super corroded, so um, there was a lot of corrosion. I mean, all that. I just air chiseled the piss out of it. But oh my god, just what worked. This is what worked. So that's the puck. I think they call. Well, this is more of a key, but some of them have like a puck, and it loops in, and then this gets driven in, and then obviously it doesn't loosen up. So this was like in like this, and I kept wailing on it. The air chisel was the only thing that got it out. The new air chisel. So I hit it right in there. So I nicked it in there, just finally got it out, because I knew that was in there. So it was like I knew it was in there, and I had to get it out. But then when I got it out, the remnant winch line just was not coming out at all. I tried air chiseling it. I tried screwdrivers, pounding it with the persuader. I tried melting it with the map gas torch. I tried the masonry drill in chisel mode with a bit to try to poke it out. That broke. The only thing that finally worked was the new Milwaukee with a wood auger bit. Because the regular drill bits weren't long enough. And so, yeah, let me. But that, I don't know if you can see in there. I'm just gonna put the flash on. That hole where the line comes through, that I drilled that out just side to side, a couple of, and it started threading it out. Yeah, because the line goes in through there and then loops back around itself, and then the key gets driven on the left side here. At least that's how it was. But yeah, so if anyone's having trouble, you would think you would be able to have it if it was cut or whatever, or try to get it out. But yeah, that's how I got it out. So the new one's coming in the mail today. Hallelujah. But yeah, this is when I drilled it out. But I'm gonna have to try to clean up any burrs and shit in here. But yeah, I'm just glad it's finally done. That was way more involved than it needed to be. But I'm trying to clean this up. I want to sand this, or maybe I might sandblast it. Just I don't want to hit the radiator with anything, but maybe I'll just keep air chiseling and just run some sandpaper and spin it. Because I want to clean this up. Maybe throw a coat of paint on it. Before I put the new line on. But yeah, hallelujah. We got it out. So hopefully that helps somebody out there, because I didn't try. I YouTubed one video on the puck, getting that out. But anyways, we're over it. Aren't we, Reg? Yeah. Time for lunch, buddy.